These are both of our Allis Chalmers lawn tractors. Here's the T-816 Vari shift. It's got the 3 speeds and reverse. Got the tiller on it right now. Excuse my dog, she's chasing birds. But yeah, it's got the tiller on it right now. Just the regular belt drive, you just do that. It works okay, it kind of bounces too much, but works alright. I'll try and get it started here. It's been sitting for like 2 weeks, so I don't know what it's gonna do. I don't know. I think the battery's dead. I kind of thought it would be. Make sure the fuel's on. Yeah. Oh, try it one more time. Yeah, it's dead. So that one ain't gonna be running today, but I know this other one does because I just drove it over here. This one has the twin cylinder 16 horse Briggs & Stratton engine. We did the rings on it, but this gasket down here still leaks, so we're gonna have to do that soon. We did have a mower for it, a 48 inch, and we also have a 42 inch, but we don't use it for mowing. We got 2 newer ones. But yeah, that's the T-816. And this is our older one. It's the 712H. We use a snowblower on it in the winter. Pretty awesome. We just picked it up this past winter actually. It's in okay shape. It's got the hydrostatic, which is sweet. Would like a tiller and a mower for it, but this is good enough for now. That door just swung open. Let's see if we can get this one going. It runs pretty well. It's just a bit cold now. But yeah, this one runs awesome. Missing a light, the rest of them don't work, I don't think, but 12 horse Kohler. Yeah, these tractors are awesome. I like them. Allis Chalmers makes pretty good stuff. Would rather have these over anything new. So yeah. Thanks for watching this video.